that one for you?
And do you know who this is from?
Dad, Perry, Ruth,
From my mom and
Yes,
dad.
yes. These two big boxes are from all of us. Are from the parents.
Here, I'll help
There
with
you
it.
You're gonna go get more.
to Dave. Both of these?
Yes, both of those are from Perry and us.
Help me open them.
That's for you, for both of you.
You know, I don't dislike it.
No, I like it.
Sydney, this is for both of us.
Which one do you want to do first?
Open it,
I
open it.
like it.
Huh?
The big one.
I agree with this color, and this is nice.
What else do I
Yes, Sarah.
You can unbutton and show a little man chest.
I got that too.
Just rip it.
I like it.
Where did their other one go?
No.
No, don't do that. Turn it over, you'll see what it is. Turn it over.
Turn it over and see. Oh my gosh.
My newspaper wrap.
What is it? Is that what's inside?
It's a Webkins.
Wait,
It's
what?
a Webkins signature.
Oh, yeah.
Is that what's inside? Is the pots and pans?
All right, Trinity. You
Well, you're going to find out when you open it.
You open it.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
god.
You have no idea.
Well, now you've got another box there too.
Holy
You've
cow.
got another box.
Let's go home and start cooking.
Yeah.
Wow, the whole
Trinity.
Go, go. Wait, wait.
Sure, careful, Sarah.
Oh my gosh.
Daddy got me that.
In Minecraft
Look what
for
Daddy
Xbox.
got us. Minecraft for
Wow.
Xbox.
A coffee maker.
Yeah.
Are you serious? Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Don't
Careful, careful, Trinity. You
Boy.
don't want it to
It's a
break.
little computer right there.
I feel sorry for kids on Hanukkah.
Yeah, that'd be good.
You get a writing pad and a 2H pencil.
How about you this? Sydney from Aunt Sarah. There you go.
What do you think, Sarah Bear?
Wow.
You have the 5 and the 7 piece, so you have a complete set.
5 and
And the 7-piece set.
Wow. That's awesome. All the cooking boys.
That's what you wanted,
Oh,
is it
wow.
not? The executive?
All new pots
It's
and
the
pans
executive,
and
is it?
everything.
That's what you wanted.
Exactly what you wanted.
Yes, that's what you wanted. The executive?
Sydney.
Well, thank you. I'm going to have great meals.